Liu Cixi, also known as the Cecilia Liu, is a Chinese actress. She was born on March 10, 1987 in Beijing, China. Liu Cixi made her acting debut in the television drama series The Moon and the Wind. She graduated from the Beijing Dance Academy with a major in ballet. In 2020, she starred in My Best Friend's Story. The same year, she has also played To Dear Myself. In 2019, Liu starred in the romance melodrama If I Can Love You, so alongside Tong Jawi. The series has previously completed filming in 2016. The same year, she announced her comeback after 2 years with the female-centric modern drama To Dear Myself. Liu Cixi's grandfather Liu Tenali was born in Widi country, Shandong province. She was the artist of Sai drum performance and was known as the master of drums. Both her parents were factory workers. Liu Cixi's mother retired early due to health reasons, while her father went overseas to do business. Liu registered her marriage with Scarlet Heart co-star Nikki Wu on January 20, 2015, and the wedding ceremony was held in Bali, Indonesia on March 20, 2016. On April 28, 2019, Liu gave birth to their son. In 2017, Liu starred along veteran actors Wang Qianwang and Cao Bingkun in the spy drama The Battle at Dawn, produced by the Ministry of Public Security. The same year, she played a young single mother in romance melodrama Angelo alongside Ming Dao. Liu then starred in historical fantasy drama Lost Love in Times alongside William Chan, as well as the crime suspense film The Liquidator, where she played a paleontology expert. In 2016, Liu headlined the historical drama The Imperial Doctress, based on the life of Tan Yuxian, a famous female physician during China's Ming Dynasty. The drama topped television ratings its run and received positive reviews, and Liu won the Most Influential Actress award at First China Television Drama Quality Ceremony for her performance. In 2014, Liu returned to the small screen with historical romance drama Sound of the Desert, based on the novel Ballad of the Desert written by Tong Hua. This series topped television and web ratings domestically and was also well received overseas. Liu then starred in romance film 5 Minutes to Tomorrow, playing dual roles. In 2013, Liu starred in action comedy Badges of Fury alongside Jet Li. She then starred in a wuxia film Brotherhood of Blades alongside Taiwanese actor Chang Chen, which received critical acclaim. Liu was nominated for Best Actress at the China Film Directors Guild Awards for her performance. In 2012, Liu starred in fantasy action drama Zuanwan Sword Scare of Sky, adapted from the video game of the same name. The series topped TV ratings and garnered 2 billion views online, becoming the 9th drama in Hunan TV's broadcast history to achieve that feat. Liu then focused her career on the big screen. She made her feature film debut in The Next Miracle, directed by Taiwanese filmmaker Zhao Li. She also filmed 2 other movies, Sad Fairy Tale and A Moment of Love. In 2010, Liu starred in the historical drama However on the Horizon, based on the life story of Huang Zhapo. Originally cast in the role of the lead female protagonist, Liu instead chose to portray the Princess Zhao Jia, as they felt that the character's developments would challenge her acting. In 2009, Liu gained popularity after appearing in the hit fantasy action drama Chinese Paladin 3. Her role as Long Kui broke her previous typecasting as a gentle, kind, and understanding maiden and received positive reviews from critics and fans.